Anybody know this song called? It's called Best Year of My Life by Mugford Sons. Okay, we're gonna play Best Year of My Life. I jump high as the clouds. Oh, jump high as the clouds. Swing at my doubts. Whoa, whoa, whoa. At the beach, though, boing. Every time go to the beach, I get bored. Then I get help with my brother. Oh, he's so amazing. Love my brother. Dad also. So beautiful in the sky. Whoa. Every time I go on this, no, this can never be the snow. Always go to the balance. Whoa. Go to the balance. Whoa. Balance. Whoa. My balance rope never works. You always fall down. No worries. I buy a new one. Don't have the money. Only $80. That is probably not enough for yeah, probably enough. Welcome to the down. Welcome to the best day, the best.